Hi folks, Jeff Susich from Waikato Consulting. So here's our Salesforce challenge today. Sending an automated notification on a specific date with no intervention by a user on the record. And there's the challenge. So let's look at our automations in Salesforce. Workflow and Process Builder have these evaluation criteria choices. Created, evaluate the record only when it's created and never look at it again. Created and every time it's edited. And Workflow has created and anytime it's edited to subsequently meet criteria. Process Builder has, do you want to execute the actions only when specified changes are made to the record? The last two are the same, and they really mean it was not true on the last edit of the record, but it is now. Now here's our problem. Somebody has to create or edit the record for anything to happen in Salesforce. All three of these criteria depend on a user manually using this button, Save. What if the record is just sitting there, minding its own business? How can we have workflow or process trigger on a date field without the record being created or edited? Examples of this. Support plan expiration dates. That has revenue implications there. You need to know when these things expire before they expire so you can get them renewed. Contract expiration dates. There's all kinds of uses for this. So let's build this. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make sure that every record created or edited of that object goes into scheduled actions with no immediate action. That's part of the magic here. We're going to use Process Builder for this, though Workflow could also be used. So let's build this thing, and it's not hard. So here we are in our org, and this is the field we're concerned about, support plan expiration date. And the challenge for us is that 30 days prior to the support plan expiration date, we want a notification to go off because we want to renew this. Okay, so that's our challenge. 30 days prior to the support plan expiration date, we want to make notification to somebody in the company. Let's build this in Process Builder. All right, here we are in Process Builder. We name it support plan expiration date 30 days away, give it a description, and the process starts when a record changes. And then we save that. First thing we do, we pick the object. In our case, the object is the account object. That's where that support plan expiration date field lives. Now we're going to start the process when a record is created or edited. We have to account for a situation in which an account was created without a support plan expiration date. We'll save that. Now the criteria for us is going to be that there is actually a support plan expiration date on the record. That it exists. So what we're going to say here is conditions are met, and we're going to go find our field, support plan expiration date, right here. Operator will be does not equal, and we're going to go for the global constant null. In other words, it's not blank. That's what we want here. Now, here's where our magic comes in, right here. We're going to click Advanced here and say, do you want to execute the actions only when specified changes are made to the record? And that is a yes right here. This has to be done here. Then we save it. So now we're taking no immediate action. We want any record created or edited that has a support plan expiration date to come through here, go right through immediate actions, and go to scheduled actions. And here's where we're going to do it. We're going to give the logic 30 days before support plan expiration date. There's our logic. And now we can do any kind of an action we wish on here. Notifications to whoever we wish. So that's how this is done. We make sure that any record that's created or edited that has a support plan expiration date will be evaluated. It will pass through immediate actions with no actions and hit right here and stop. And now it's just going to wait until 30 days before the support plan expiration date. So that's it. We've done our challenge for the day. I hope this is useful to you. And now for a brief marketing message. Come to WakatoConsulting.com for all things Salesforce. I do user training. Salesforce has no user training classes. I've done hundreds of user training sessions. I create custom curriculums and I train people right in their orgs. I do train-the-trainer training. I train people so that they can train their users in Salesforce.com. You can register for any Salesforce class at my website. I'm an authorized training reseller, and the reason to use me instead of going on the Salesforce.com website to register is that I'll talk to you first. I'll make sure that you're in the correct class. And consulting work. We do new implementations, toxic cleanups, customizations, anything to do with Salesforce.com. Thank you for watching.